Hey guys, my name is Michelle Kniffen and I'm a junior in electrical engineering. Here today to tell you a little bit about my story, about why I chose electrical engineering, and to tell you a little bit about my timeline getting up to here. So when I was a freshman, I was over in Birmingham, Alabama, where I was studying journalism and mass communications at Stanford University. So I discovered pretty early on that I didn't really want to write articles for newspapers for a living, and that I would much rather be doing something with math and calculus since I really loved that in high school. So after doing a bunch of research and talking with a bunch of engineers over in Birmingham, I decided to take the leap and transfer down here to Auburn in the fall of 2014. Now, when I first got down here, my first major was aerospace engineering, because I mean, who doesn't want to be an astronaut? Super cool. But I started taking physics, and I realized that that really wasn't my forte. But I was really into the circuit, so I switched my major over to electrical. Now, in 2015, I was procrastinating studying for a physics test, and I decided to apply to this thing called the Disney College Program on a whim. And I accepted a position with them, and for 8 months, I actually went down to Walt Disney World in Orlando, Florida, where I was a safari driver for the Kilimanjaro Safari Ride. Now, all the while, I was actually talking with some of the engineers down there and discovering what it is that engineers do for a place like Walt Disney World. And so I got some contacts and I came back here for my first semester in electrical engineering, where I did basic circuit analysis and digital logic, which are kind of the preliminary electrical classes. And crazy enough, some of my contacts from Disney called me up and offered me a position as an intern to come back for this past summer and fall. Now, there was a ton of cool stuff that I got to do down there, but my favorite was probably working on the Magic Kingdom projection show. So for me, that was working on some of the wiring diagrams to provide the lighting to create this really cool experience that's actually open for guests now. And so it just comes to show that electrical is super diverse. And if you guys have that spark of inspiration to want to create something and to use math and science and engineering to bring something to life, then I'd say this is a great major for you. So if you have any questions or if you want to learn more about this major, please, any of us would love to talk to you. And my email is MEK0027. Well, guys, thank you so much for listening to this story, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your class.